guys, Speeds Performance Plus. We're out here in Ohio Bike Week 2023. Get the lucky chance here today. We had a customer come in with a 117. We already had done some cams for this gentleman before, made some decent power, and now he's back to us. We're going to do one of S&S's new 132 kits. He's already got a good Pisani pipe and everything like that. So yeah, so come on over here. Let's check out the package that we're going to do. So here's our 132 package. Consists of the S&S barrels, pistons, and rings, the S&S oil pump, cam plates. We're going with a bigger throttle body, the extreme intake with the 64 millimeter, the 6.2 injectors, and then obviously we're doing an S&S 550 cam, new head bolts, and then we got to change out the valve springs to handle the lift on the cam, and then new lifters as well. So we're hoping with any luck, and then tuning it with a Power Vision license tune. So with any luck, we're hoping to produce some serious good numbers out of this. We're not doing heads on this particular build. We're just going to reuse his stock heads. We've been doing that on a lot of our older, or the other 128 builds we've been doing, and it's been producing really good torque for us, so which is what we're shooting for. We want a ton of torque out of this little monster. So we'll do another video later once we get it up on get it all broke in and get it up on the dyno and dial it in and show you guys what the numbers are. Stay tuned.